Well, YouTubers, I have a problem on my hand today. I gotta mow the grass. Check this out. These lawn mowers and power wheels are so grown in, you can only see the engine and the handles. Look at that one. Can you even see that there's a lawn mower there? It's there somewhere. There's a Craftsman, tiller, power wheels, wheels, more lawn mowers, lawn tractor frame, Murray, my mighty MTD, another trike, a Saber, all pretty well grown in. My main focus is this mess. So I'm gonna move some stuff out of the way and then I'm gonna mow it with my Panzer mower, aka Kill Mower 2. I built this mower back in 2000 originally. It is a MTD circa 1980 something. Originally had a 3-horse Briggs, now has a 3.5 Briggs. Classic. All built up by me and modified with random parts. It's got an automatic choke that I rebuilt. Alright. Check it out. Little dolly. We're lawnmowers. Bowlins. And Murray. It's a lot of grass. I mean, that's like 2 feet high right here. Okay. Well, I'm gonna be back in 1 minute and you will see all this gone. Well, I think that's pretty good. Got most of the junk out of the way anyways. It's an awful lot of junk. Awful lot of grass. There are mosquitoes around here too. Okie dokie. Prepare for grass disintegration. Well, let's just hope she still starts after a period of about a year sitting in the garage. My dad was the last person that used it, and he was a moron and put my chainsaw gas in it. Luckily there was only a little bit left. I filled it up with fresh gas, checked the oil. I modified this to use a toggle switch set to on. Now see if it'll fire up. Close. Not bad. There's not much for throttle setting on this Not bad at all for sitting that long. Yeah, she runs a little finicky, but hey, screw it. Not bad at all. I love that mower. Let's see the undercarriage. Ooh, got me a soda can. Yuck. Nasty. I double sharpen the blades. It's a little dull now, but I sharpen both sides, top and bottom. It makes it a little more like a razor. I just got to sharpen it more often, that's the only thing. But it's a specialty mower that I only really use for cutting tall grass like this. So it kind of just sits in the garage most of the time. Now I got to do a lot of weed eating too. Not looking forward to it. Well, thanks for watching. I'm glad you liked, or I hoped you liked my Panzer mower. And stay tuned for more vids. Thanks for watching.